Alright, this is the Bridgeport VMC3020 high-speed machining center. Equipped with GE Fanuc Series 20i M CNC controller.
Alright, we're going to take a peek inside. We'll walk around a little bit. Standard 3-axis. We don't have any tooling, but we can do a, what is that, 20, I forget how many, 22, yeah, 22 position tool holders. Don't have any, but we can do an air change and it works really well. So, and your guides up and back here, you can see. Table's in nice shape, covers are in nice shape. We'll move things around here a little bit so we take a walk around. What else we got here? Door. Got the interlock off, but it's pretty much how the OD looks. So we got the switch jumping out so we can work with it inside. So look at what do we got there?
Electrical panel.
But we do have documentation here to show this, which is really an excellent book on this machine. It has diagnostics in there. It's got servo parameters, spindle drive parameters. It's got a parts book. It's got a Fanuc breakout booklet for operating the Fanuc control. It's a really nice manual. It really covers a lot of ground. So that goes with this. Coming around the back, the air package, all pretty standard stuff. Plug-ins, solenoids for the air blast. We're piped in. Going down low is the cooling system down there with some foot pads for the machine. Let me get on this side of you and kind of look in here. Main control panel. Fanuc logic up high. Got the drives down low, spindle drive, and the 3 smaller ones are the 3 servo drives. So pretty much it there.
Alright.
Okay, and yeah, that's about it back here, pretty much. And we'll close up. Got the air filter back here. Oh, it gets quieter when we close the door. There we go. So, got that.
And then the cooling.
Cooling's down low there, yep.
Alright. Let's go run it.
Back around? Sure. We're in jog, and move some axes. I'm on high speed for the multiplier, for what it's worth. It goes a lot faster in the auto cycle, but just to move X, Y, Z real quick here. There's your table movement. You see it on the board. You can see it physically at the table. They sound nice. The screws sound nice, and you'll hear it a little bit better. Like I said, I found a program in there that just kind of does a little small part, little 2-minute program. That's X. And here's Y. And Z down. You can bring that down, Z minus. That's all pretty good. If we get into MDI, I can bring up spindle speed. We'll leave that right there for now. We'll at least check the spindle out here. I was warming it up a little bit later. We can maybe just jump right into like 4,000 in MDI. And, oh, I meant to say that the cycle restart spindle, we reset out of this, but when I go to call for a spindle speed in MDI, it's going to tell me to verify spindle speed. Somebody's got a keep relay or a parameter set for, I believe it's for rigid tapping. This guy will go off, but it doesn't stop me from running the program. It's strictly just a reminder at this point. So I'm just going to leave it because every time you reset it, every time the spindle gets called up again, that just keeps happening. You'll see it in a minute. So right now,
it's a protection thing.
It is, yeah. It's a reminder to verify your spindle speed. I think because you don't want to go too high on rigid tapping at 8,000 RPM. That's just not good for the system. So in program mode, we're just going to give it a standard MO3 speed 4,000 maybe, and insert that. And I'll get that alarm now. I'm just going to leave it because all you really do then is hit cycle start again, I believe. And yeah, spindle speed not verified. And I'm just going to leave the alarms without resetting it. I think we can just bring it right back up again. There's our 4,000, which you can see right on the thing there. I might be high, I'm at 48. I can decel it. I was decelling it before we did the video. So that's 100% right there. You can bring it up 10 or 20%. I could go lower, I think. There's 36, 32, back to 4. There's 48. Give it a second. Sounds nice. Yeah, we'll go up a little bit higher. Let's go to maybe 6. I should be able to jump right in on that. Let me get back into programming, that would help. Insert that, and there's 6. Give it a second, we'll jump up to 8. It's moving along nicely. Program 8. Go. Actually, we're at 96. I left it high. Let me get back down to 8. There's 8. It'll go 10, I believe. So there's 8. Let's see, if I jump it up twice, it's close to the 10. There's 8 and 88, 96. So just under 10, which is fine. That's full out. That runs nice. We good? Pretty good on that. It's good running spindle. And maybe a tool change. We can change some air tools. What do we got in there now? 7? I'll jump a couple places to maybe 10. We're still in MDI? Yeah. We're still on program. T10 maybe. And let's try that. So that's in good shape. That said, we can run the program. I've got a cycle up here. We could just jump in on this. Where am I at? A position and auto somewhere. I mean, the pulse generator works. I don't know that we have to go through all this. It's in good shape. I'm just going to jump it right into the program setting, leave it at 100% feed, and let's see what we get here. Cycle start. We're good. We're good. We're good. Going back to tool number 3. It's a real slow spindle speed. I'm not sure what they were doing there, but you can kind of see that table moving around. I can even bring it up a little bit faster, just get 120%. Just speed up the feed a little bit so you can kind of see on the camera. Kind of nice. After they're done, they program the table to come forward, I guess, to take their pieces off. That's why I wanted to run the spindle first, because this is only 800. Want to go one more time? Same thing? It's only about a minute. Here we go. And just to show, can you see this right now on the camera? It's just to show, I can reset this, but now the next time I call up a spindle speed, that'll come back on again. I just haven't delved into the control to see how to turn that off. Not a big deal though. Increase the spindle to 1,000. That's all what you do on increase. End of cycle. It's a good running machine, Pete.